Okay, so you want to know how to protect columns in Microsoft Excel. Now, the two columns I want to protect are the variance column and the year column, and that's because both of these columns contain formula that I don't want people to overtype. Now, your first step is to select all of the cells in the sheet, and you can do that by clicking up in the top left hand corner and then use Control-1 on your keyboard, and that'll open up this Format Cells dialog box. If you don't like using shortcut keys, then you could right click and then go to Format Cells. Now you need to go to the Protection tab, and at the moment all cells are locked. Now this lock doesn't come into effect until we protect the sheet. So what we have to do is unlock all cells, then relock the columns that we want to protect, and then protect the sheet. So we unlock all cells and click on OK, and then we're going to relock both of these columns. So I'm going to select the year column, hold down Control on my keyboard and select the variance column, then Control-1 on my keyboard and then lock those cells. Click on OK. Now to activate the lock, you need to go to the Review tab on your ribbon and then Protect Sheet. Now you can enter a password for the protection, but it's not mandatory, and then you just click on OK. So now if I try and overtype any of the cells in these columns, they are protected. If I wanted to overtype a value in one of the other columns, I'd still be able to do so. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.